Have you ever imagined that a simple ingredient in your kitchen could be the secret to transforming your health? Apple cider vinegar, a centuries-old product, has been gaining the attention of science and promises benefits you may have never imagined. But is everything they say about it true? In this video, we're going to reveal the 8 proven benefits of apple cider vinegar and show you how it can positively impact your body in surprising ways. Before we continue, let me introduce Healing Roots. We are a company dedicated to promoting health and wellness through natural and scientific solutions. Our commitment is to quality and the real transformation of your health, offering reliable information so you can achieve real results. Now, back to apple cider vinegar. It's important to know that not all apple cider vinegar is the same. To guarantee the desired effects, always choose organic, gluten-free, and non-GMO vinegar. And if you're concerned about your teeth, the capsule version is an excellent alternative since it doesn't harm your tooth enamel. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover could change the way you see this simple ingredient, yet with so many health benefits. Let's get straight to the point and find out, based on science, what apple cider vinegar can really do for you. Benefit 8. Relief from acid reflux. The connection with apple cider. Vinegar acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, is a condition where the contents of the stomach, including gastric acid, flow back into the esophagus, causing uncomfortable symptoms like heartburn, a burning sensation in the chest, and regurgitation. This happens due to the malfunction of the lower esophageal sphincter, a muscle located between the esophagus and the stomach, whose role is to prevent stomach contents from flowing back into the esophagus. Over time, constant exposure to gastric acid can cause inflammation, pain, and even injury to the esophageal tissue, leading to more severe complications like ulcers, esophagitis, and, in rare cases, esophageal cancer. Apple cider vinegar, due to its high acetic acid content, can play an important role in managing acid reflux symptoms. While the idea of consuming an acidic substance may seem counterintuitive for those suffering from reflux, the acidity of apple cider vinegar can help restore the balance of stomach pH. In people with acid reflux, the stomach pH may be imbalanced, either too alkaline or not producing enough acid for effective digestion. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of gastric acid, which contributes to better digestion and reduces reflux, preventing stomach contents from rising into the esophagus. In traditional treatments for acid reflux, many patients turn to proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, antacids, and other medications that aim to reduce stomach acid production. However, these medications can have long-term side effects, such as decreased absorption of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and vitamin B12, and an increased risk of intestinal infections. That's why natural alternatives like apple cider vinegar have been drawing attention as a potentially effective option without the common side effects of conventional medications. However, it's important to note that while apple cider vinegar can offer relief, every case of acid reflux is unique, and the most effective approach may vary depending on the severity of the condition and the individual characteristics of the patient. Benefit 7. Strengthening the immune system. The immune system is crucial for overall body health, protecting it against threats like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and cancer cells. When it's working well, the body can fight infections, prevent diseases, and recover from injuries effectively. This system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body. Some of the key components include lymphocytes, antibodies, macrophages, and T cells, which play essential roles in the immune response. Apple cider vinegar can help strengthen the immune system in several ways. It enhances the function of macrophages, the cells responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens, through its acetic acid and antioxidants. This makes the macrophages more effective at eliminating threats. Additionally, apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of lymphocytes and contains flavonoids, antioxidant compounds, that reduce oxidative stress. Less oxidative stress results in a more efficient immune system, capable of fighting infections faster. Apple cider vinegar can also improve blood circulation and assist with detoxifying the body. Good circulation allows immune system cells to move more quickly to where they're needed, boosting the immune response. In summary, apple cider vinegar strengthens the immune system by enhancing macrophage activity, increasing lymphocyte production, reducing oxidative stress, and improving circulation. These benefits contribute to a healthier body, better protected against disease. Benefit 6. reduction of gas and bloating. Intestinal gas and abdominal bloating are common discomforts caused by improper fermentation of food in the digestive tract. When carbohydrates, like sugars and starches, aren't fully digested in the small intestine, they make their way to the colon, where gut bacteria break them down, producing gas and causing bloating. Although it may seem counterintuitive, apple cider vinegar, due to its acetic acid, can help reduce these discomforts. It works on balancing the pH in the stomach, promoting more efficient digestion. When stomach pH is off balance, incomplete digestion can occur, resulting in more undigested food reaching the colon and increasing fermentation. Apple cider vinegar, by increasing stomach acidity, helps improve digestion, reducing undigested carbs in the colon and, consequently, gas production. Additionally, apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of essential gastric juices that help properly break down food, like proteins and complex carbohydrates, preventing these foods from being fermented by gut bacteria. With the proper production of gastric juices, digestion is more efficient, which reduces bloating. Apple cider vinegar also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, improving gut motility. This shortens the time food stays in the colon, reducing fermentation and bloating. Plus, it helps food and waste move through the gastrointestinal tract, preventing the buildup of undigested food in the colon, which can cause bloating. Benefit 5. Control of germs and bacteria with apple cider vinegar. In integrative medicine, understanding how natural compounds like apple cider vinegar work effectively in the body, especially in the digestive tract, is essential. Apple cider vinegar, with its high acetic acid content, has several properties that help control germs and bacteria, promoting a healthy balance in the body. When ingested, acetic acid works in the digestive tract, creating an environment that's less favorable for the growth of harmful microorganisms, like bacteria and fungi. Simply put, apple cider vinegar helps balance stomach acidity, supporting proper digestion and making it harder for harmful germs to survive. One of the reasons apple cider vinegar may be effective in controlling germs is its positive effect on gut microbiota balance. The human gut is home to trillions of bacteria, which play vital roles in digestion and protecting the body from harmful microorganisms. When the balance between good and bad bacteria is disturbed, it can lead to an increase in pathogens, causing digestive and inflammatory problems. In addition to reducing harmful bacteria in the digestive tract, apple cider vinegar also has antifungal properties, which can be helpful in preventing gut infections caused by fungi like Candida albicans. In summary, apple cider vinegar, due to its acetic acid, plays a key role in reducing harmful germs and maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. Its antimicrobial action helps eliminate harmful bacteria and fungi, while promoting an environment favorable to beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion and nutrient absorption. By using apple cider vinegar, you can help keep your digestive system healthy, preventing infections and promoting the balance needed for good digestion. Benefit 4. Blood sugar control with apple cider vinegar. How it works. Blood sugar control is essential for overall health, especially for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar, with its active components, has proven to be a helpful tool in controlling blood glucose levels, offering a natural and effective approach to improving metabolic health. Mainly due to acetic acid, apple cider vinegar can influence how the body processes carbohydrates. Studies show that acetic acid can lower the glycemic index of foods, meaning it slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream after meals. Insulin is crucial for regulating blood sugar, as it allows cells to absorb glucose to use for energy or store for later use. When insulin resistance occurs, this process is impaired, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar also affects digestion, slowing the breakdown of complex starches into simple sugars, which decreases glucose absorption by the body and prevents rapid blood sugar spikes after carb-rich meals. Additionally, research indicates that apple cider vinegar can benefit liver function, an important factor in blood sugar control, as the liver regulates blood glucose. It helps convert glucose into glycogen, the stored form of glucose, contributing to more balanced blood sugar levels throughout the day. It's important for individuals with type 1 or type 2 diabetes to regularly monitor their glucose levels and consult their doctor before adding apple cider vinegar to their routine to ensure it's safe and effective within the context of their personalized treatment. In summary, apple cider vinegar offers a natural and affordable alternative to help with blood sugar control. It improves insulin sensitivity, reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes, and has a positive impact on metabolic health, making it a valuable tool to complement other medical approaches. Benefit 3. Blood pressure reduction with apple cider vinegar. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is one of the most prevalent conditions in the modern world, representing a significant risk factor for several serious cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks, strokes, and kidney failure. Apple cider vinegar, a natural remedy with a long history of therapeutic use, has proven to be effective in promoting healthy blood pressure. But how exactly does it work? The main factor that makes apple cider vinegar useful in this context is its high acetic acid content, which can help regulate the balance between sodium and potassium in the body, two essential elements for blood pressure control. Hypertension is often associated with an imbalance between sodium and potassium. Excess sodium can cause fluid retention, which increases blood volume and consequently raises pressure in the arteries. On the other hand, potassium plays an important role in dilating blood vessels and eliminating sodium, reducing blood volume, and promoting more balanced blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar contains potassium, helping to improve this balance and neutralize the harmful effects of sodium, thus promoting cardiovascular health. Additionally, apple cider vinegar may enhance blood vessel dilation. The acetic acid present in it can improve endothelial function, responsible for the health of the cells lining the blood vessels. When the endothelium functions properly, blood vessels dilate more easily, allowing blood to flow more freely, which reduces pressure on the arteries. In summary, apple cider vinegar can be a valuable tool for people looking to manage blood pressure in addition to other medical approaches. Benefit 2. Cardiovascular health. Cholesterol reduction. High cholesterol is one of the main risk factors for cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks, strokes, and atherosclerosis. From a medical standpoint, reducing LDL cholesterol is one of the cornerstones in preventing heart complications. This is where apple cider vinegar stands out as a potentially useful tool. Rich in acetic acid and natural antioxidant compounds, apple cider vinegar has been associated with improving the blood lipid profile. The mechanism behind this effect is largely related to acetic acid's ability to modulate liver fat metabolism. The liver is responsible for cholesterol production and processing dietary fats. Studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can positively affect this liver function, helping to reduce the production of LDL cholesterol, while potentially increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, which acts as a sweeper for the arteries, removing excess LDL buildup. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has antioxidant properties due to natural polyphenols derived from apples. These compounds play an important role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, which are factors that favor the oxidation of LDL. Another important point to consider is the effect of apple cider vinegar on triglycerides, another type of fat in the blood. Elevated triglyceride levels are also linked to heart and metabolic diseases. Regular and moderate consumption of apple cider vinegar can help reduce triglycerides, promoting a healthier lipid profile and complementing other medical approaches. However, it is crucial to always consult your trusted doctor before adding any supplement or making changes to your routine. Benefit 1. Weight loss support. What explains the potential of apple cider vinegar in aiding weight loss? First, acetic acid, the main active component of apple cider vinegar, seems to have a direct influence on energy metabolism and the feeling of fullness. Research indicates that regular, moderate consumption of apple cider vinegar can help prolong the feeling of fullness after meals, thus reducing caloric intake throughout the day. This effect occurs due to the slowing of gastric emptying. When stomach emptying is slower, the signal of satiety sent to the brain is extended, making you feel full for a longer time. This reduces the frequency and quantity of subsequent meals, which can positively impact energy balance and, consequently, contribute to body weight reduction. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can favorably modulate blood insulin levels. Acetic acid helps improve insulin sensitivity and control post-meal blood sugar spikes. When these spikes are controlled, there is less stimulation for fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area, which is strongly linked to metabolic and cardiovascular complications. Another relevant aspect is apple cider vinegar's role in reducing fat storage in the liver, a condition known as fatty liver disease, which often accompanies excess weight. Acetic acid has shown, in laboratory studies, the ability to reduce lipid accumulation in liver cells, helping to maintain more efficient liver function and fat metabolism. Finally, apple cider vinegar contains natural antioxidant compounds derived from apples, such as polyphenols, which help combat low-grade chronic inflammation, often associated with excess body fat. Reducing this inflammatory process can favor overall metabolic balance and support sustainable weight loss. And to wrap up, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Healing Roots channel. We believe that the key to a healthy life lies in understanding and taking care of our body with the natural elements it needs. Each video is dedicated to unveiling the secrets of minerals and vitamins, showing how they can prevent and heal diseases while promoting a balanced and sustainable lifestyle. Stay tuned for more interesting and valuable content. And if you're interested in learning more about apple cider vinegar in capsules, I'll leave the link here in the description to make it easier for you to find. See you in the next video.